Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Nissan GT-R, a legendary name in the world of performance cars. Nissan has once again pushed the boundaries of speed, technology, and design, making the latest GT-R one of the most exciting sports cars of the year. The 2025 GT-R comes with an aggressive new design that blends aerodynamics with modern styling. The front fascia has been completely redesigned, featuring sharper LED headlights, a wider grille for better airflow, and a sculpted hood that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The rear has also been updated with sleeker taillights and an improved diffuser, optimizing downforce for better stability at high speeds. The iconic quad exhaust setup remains, reminding everyone that this car means serious business. Under the hood, Nissan has retained the heart of the GT-R, a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine, but with significant upgrades. The latest iteration now produces an estimated 600 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, pushing the limits of what this platform can do. Power is sent to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system and a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and maximum grip on any surface. The launch control system has been refined, making 0 to 60 mph times even more brutal, expected to be under 2.8 seconds. One of the biggest improvements for 2025 is in the handling department. Nissan has introduced an upgraded adaptive suspension system, allowing for precise control whether you're carving corners on a track or cruising on the highway. The car also features an improved braking system with larger carbon ceramic rotors, giving it the stopping power needed for such extreme performance. With an improved aerodynamic package and a stiffer chassis, the new GT-R offers better stability and control, making it one of the most track-focused versions yet. Inside the cabin, Nissan has refined the GT-R's interior while maintaining its driver-focused design. The dashboard features a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, a larger 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded premium Bose audio system. High-quality materials, including Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather, are used throughout the cabin, giving it a luxurious yet race-inspired feel. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, whether you're on a long drive or pushing the car to its limits on the track. Safety and driver assist features have also been enhanced, with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it easier to handle both on the road and in tight parking spots. While the GT-R is primarily built for performance, Nissan has ensured that it remains practical for daily use as well. The 2025 Nissan GT-R will be available in multiple trims, including a hardcore Nismo variant with even more power, carbon fiber body components, and track-focused upgrades. Pricing is expected to start around $120,000, making it a serious competitor against other high-performance sports cars. The GT-R has always been a symbol of Japanese engineering and performance, and the 2025 model continues that legacy with cutting-edge technology and raw power. What do you think about the latest GT-R? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Muscle Car for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching.